It gives me a great pleasure to be here with you today at Ada Shipyard for steel cutting ceremony of the first auxiliary oiler replenisher and logistic ship, a strategic milestone in our defense industry cooperation with our ally and friend, Portugal, and a project that will stand as a legacy for the future. Last year, on December 17th in Lisbon, with Admiral Melo, we signed a contract for the construction of 2 auxiliary oiler replenisher and the logistic ships for the Portuguese Navy. That day, we laid not only the foundation of a contract, but also the foundation of history. The first export of military naval platform from Turkey to a NATO and European Union member state. Today, we are taking the first tangible steps of historic project. With this steel cutting ceremony, we are setting in motion the creation of a maritime platform that will serve humanity in peace and provide deterrence in times of conflict. Distinguished participants, the vessels to be constructed not merely military platforms. They are the embodiment of our engineering prowess, design capability, logistical vision, and the collaborative production strength at sea. Measuring 137 meters in length with a displacement of 11,000 tons, these ships will be capable of continuous operation at sea for up to 90 days. They will reach a maximum speed exceeding 18 knots, offer a high efficiency with both diesel and electrical propulsion systems. With an economical cruising speed of 14 knots, they will achieve a range up to 14,000 nautical miles, enabling successful execution of transoceanic missions. Designed for a wide spectrum of operations, including replenishment at sea, logistics support, regional power projection, amphibious operations, medical assistance, search and rescue, and humanitarian aid, these vessels will be versatile asset for modern naval operations. Equipped with advanced communication and command and control systems, as well as a comprehensive suite for sensors and weapon systems, they will enhance the deterrent power of allied naval forces. They will also strengthen the Portuguese Navy long-term logistical capabilities. Capable of carrying up to 20 light armored vehicles, these platforms will feature a flight deck and a hangar infrastructure for helicopters and unmanned air vehicles. With such advanced features, they will play a critical role in NATO-led joint operations. Esteemed guests, today, Turkey ranks among the leading nations in the world in terms of the number of the military vessels being built simultaneously. This project, led by the STM as the main contractor, with the participation of nearly 30 local companies, marks a milestone in Turkish naval engineering too. Through landmark programs such as Milgem, TCG Anadolu, TF2000, and Milden, Turkey has attained world-class expertise in maritime technologies, expertise that we are now sharing with our friends and allies. With this project, Turkish engineering has been recognized through the choice of a European Union and the NATO member country, achieving a new threshold in the Europeans' military shipbuilding sector. Portugal's decision reflects not only confidence in STM, but also trust in entire Turkish defense industry. It's a great source of pride that Portugal, a nation, a distinguished maritime heritage, and a powerful navy equipped with the modern warships, submarines, and unmanned surface vessels, has chosen Turkey as a partner. Through this project, we are building not only technical collaboration, but also a lasting strategic friendship between our nations. Today, as we stand together and declare we are walking a path toward the future with shared purpose and confidence. This ceremony represents our common commitment to stand side by side, to share a common vision, and to contribute strengthening peace on the seas. I am fully confident that in the coming period, we will sign new projects together in the various fields. On this occasion, I wish this project bring a prosperity to all parties involved and extend my heartfelt congratulations to all engineers, technicians, workers, and the contributors, especially STM and the other shipyards.
It is a great honor and privilege to stand before you today. At this moment of profound significance for the Portuguese Navy and for our two nations, the cutting of the first steel plate for this new fleet replenishment ship marks not only the beginning of a new vessel, but also the beginning of a new chapter of cooperation, trust, and shared visions between Portugal and Turkey. This project made possible through the outstanding partnership between the Portuguese Navy and STM under the distinguished auspice of SSB. Represents far more than the construction of a ship. It embodies the fusion of engineering, excellence, technological innovation, and strategic foresight. Above all, it reflects the shared commitment of our nations to maritime security, allied cooperation, and the strengthening of our collective defense capabilities, within the broad framework of the Atlantic Alliance. In the next months, this shipyard will turn the detailed design on paper into the strengths of steel. This vessel will enhance our ability to sustain missions in distant theaters and will provide vital logistic support to national and allied operations. Above all, they will reinforce our readiness to respond to the security challenge of the 21st century. To the leadership and workforce of STM, I extend our deepest gratitude. Your professionalism, dedication, and craftsmanship are the foundation upon which this project stands. We are confident that your expertise will ensure that these ships meet the highest standards of quality, reliability, and performance. The Portuguese Navy is proud to partner with a partner that combines tradition, innovation, and excellence in equal measures. To the Republic of Turkey, and in particular to SSB, we express our appreciation for the sponsoring this project and for the hospitality and support. Today's ceremony is more than a technical milestone. It is the symbolic forging of a long-term strategic partnership between Portugal and Turkey in the fields of security and defense industry cooperation. Together, we are building not only ships, but also bridges of mutual respect, understanding, and enduring friendship.
On 17 December 2024, we came together in Lisbon for the signing of the Portuguese Navy Auxiliary Oil Replenisher and Logistic Support Ship project, making the beginning of an important partnership between Turkey and Portugal. Since that day, we have worked intensively on this project, and I am pleased to share that the design phase has been successfully completed. We look forward to holding the keel laying ceremony in January next year. The delivery of the ships is planned for the first ship within 36 months and the second within 44 months from the effective date of the contract. These ships are uniquely designed with a modular architecture to best meet the Portuguese Navy's strategic objectives and operational requirements. Logistic support ships with their innovative design and versatile mission capabilities will be able to perform joint force operation, amphibious operations, and replenishment at sea functions. I believe these ships will significantly contribute to the Portuguese Navy's regional and allied operations and significantly increase the support capabilities for the Portugal naval forces.
Geçen Aralık ayında sözleşmesinin imzaladığımızı Portekiz tarafıyla Deniz Kuvvetleri Komutanlığı ile birlikte Lizbon'da yaptığımız imza töreninden sonra basına duyurusunu yapmıştık. İşte bugün Portekiz Deniz Kuvvetleri yetkililerinin de katılımıyla birlikte ilk saç kesim törenini Ada Tersanesi'nde STM şirketimizin ana yükleniciliğinde yürüyen inşasının Tuzla'daki Ada Tersanesi'nde yapılacağı bu gemilerin saç kesim töreniydi. Heyecanlıyız, mutluyuz. Çünkü bir NATO ülkesine, bir Avrupa Birliği üye ülkeye denizcilik alanında bir askeri gemi ihraç etmek ve özellikle de denizcilik alanında köklü geçmişi olan, kendi donanması her zaman güçlü olan bir ülkenin ihtiyaç duyduğu bir askeri gemide Türkiye'yi tercih etmiş olması, Türkiye ile beraber ortaklaşa çalışıyor olmuş olması bizim açımızdan memnuniyet verici. Sadece tersane ve geminin inşası değil, malumunuz bu tip platformların içindeki faydalı yükler, alt sistemler, bunların neredeyse tamamı yine Türk savunma sanayi şirketlerinin ürettiği ürünlerle donatılacak. Dolayısıyla Portekiz sadece Türkiye'ye bu denizcilik anlamında ve gemi inşası anlamında değil, savunma sanayi genelinde bir bütün olarak bir güvenini ortaya koymuş oldu. Planlandığı gibi süreçler devam ediyor. Çok kısa sürede bu iki gemi teslim edilecek ve Portekiz donanmasının hizmetine sunulmuş olacak. Tabii bugün aslında Türk denizcilik tarihi açısından bakıldığında yerli ve milli ürünleri kendi donanmamız için ürettiğimiz çok farklı çeşitte, çok farklı sayıda irili ufaklı, farklı fonksiyonlardaki gemileri inşa ettiğimizi ifade edebilirim. Bugün 10'a yakın tersanede hem devlet tersanesinde hem özel sektörde yer alan 10-11 tersanemizde hali hazırda yürüyen 40'a yakın projemiz var. Bu dünyadaki diğer ülkelere, diğer donanmalara, diğer deniz kuvvetlerine bakıldığında aynı anda bu kadar büyük filonun inşa edildiği vaki değil. Biz burada Sayın Cumhurbaşkanımızın liderliğinde Türk savunma şirketlerine olan güvenle, tersanelerimize olan ve bu tersanelere alt sistemleriyle destek olacak diğer savunma sanayi şirketlerimize olan güvenle birlikte başlanılan bu projeler bir an önce tamamlanacak ve kahraman donanmamızın hizmetlerine sunulacak.